We're going to get the cheese that we ordered from the store. This is the ham. We have different ham and bologna. Bologna. How do you pronounce bologna or bologna?
Bologna.
Bologna. And this is the provolone cheese and the Swiss. What else is there? Lettuce and tomato. Good morning! It's 11:11. Happy Monday! Nagawa tayo ng ating lunch is, our lunch is 2 different kind of cheese, 3 different kind of ham. One is honey ham and one is ham and turkey. And this one is bologna, made with chicken, pork, and beef. Which one? It's good. Make all meat. Remember, team order all meat.
Yeah, the man of the word.
Subway.
Oh, you can.
Good morning guys! It's 11 na. Ito yung soup kahapon, ininit ko. Ito yung different kind of meat. Ito yung bologna sandwich. And then the cheese is Swiss deli cheese. And this is ham turkey. Ham turkey and provolone cheese sandwich. Hindi ko pa na-try kasi yung mga binili ni Daddy yung last time. Kasi yung yesterday, yung honey ham at saka this one is different. And ito lang yung aking lunch and breakfast lunch. Mamaya ako magkakape at saka yung suman. Kain tayo guys. Ano ngayon? Monday, June 17. Hapon, Father's Day. Sunday. Ngayon, Monday dito sa Texas. Happy Monday guys! May maliligo na ulit sa swimming pool. Maliligo na ulit. Maliligo na ulit sa swimming pool. Ang bata. Ito muna ang tubig ha. Magkakape naman po at suman. At si baby ay naliligo sa swimming pool. Again. Araw-araw po yan. Don't touch it. Natapon pa yung kape ni daddy, oh. Kain po tayo, guys, ng ating suman. Mainit.
Back in, huh? You want daddy to push you back in?
Ang sarap po ng suman.
She always comes to daddy when she wants. She tells daddy what she wants.
Kain tayo, guys. Ang sarap ng suman. Buti na lang meron akong tanim na saging para nagagamit ko yung dahon ng saging. Ang sarap. May buko sa loob. Hindi masyado matamis kasi tama lang yung nilagay kong brown sugar. Kain tayo, guys.